We can get a nice move here if it starts to hold one. Gap and go.
SLND.
These are so slow.
SLND. SLND.
Would take a dip down there under one. What's the float? 14 million.
SLND.
It's a tight float.
SLND.
No, it's a tight float. Dip down here, 98. I think a dip there would be nice. Retest the gap, retest those buyers. But it seems to be finding some momentum here.
SLND.
Long algos are going for it at 5, at 4. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Pushed 5.
SLND.
So we didn't quite get the retest of the gap. It's pushing here. Does it have the strength to keep pushing? It looks like it. It looks like it.
SLND. SLND.
Hmm. Now it needs to, yep, failed again.
R. ASTS. AAOS.
Things are very slow. Slow, slow,
ASTS.
slow.
ASTX. NOWL.
SDOT potentially with a massive move.
BIYA. EALU. CBRG. IONZ.
SDOT.
SDOT.
Quite possibly a move here. Gotta break that gap.
ORCU.
Gotta break those gaps right there. 22.
GIPR. SOC. NFXL.
The spreads are crazy. That's pretty crazy.
AEHR. IONZ. EALU. SDOT.
Go straight to a fold.
LCID.
Wow, that's insane.
SDOT.
The daily chart looks great. So the daily chart looks like it could make a nice move. So we're gonna take this on the bid. Oh, that is 23.
LCID.
I like this pullback.
IONZ. DAMD. SSPC. SNDQ. SDOT. BEE. BEE. MUZ. SOPR. SLND. SKDD. SNDQ.
GLHL as well. So let's see how this pullback is gonna fold here.
LCID.
If we were gonna fold 50s,
IONZ.
I'll take that right on the gap.
SSPC.
Did you even buy it?
DAMD.
Yep. 2316. Got in there. 2316. 50 shares. 2316.
SG.
2390. The daily looks decent for a squeeze, you know?
LCID. NFW.
One based on the daily chart.
SNDQ. SLND. MUZ.
So let's see. Hopefully this next candle we get a nice move and we don't make a new low. Don't make a new low. Nice 24. Nice. Over 2450 could be an ad.
WZRD may resume unless LCID. QMLS halted down. SNDQ. MUZ. DAMD. RGTZ. SKDD. SDOT. SSPC.
2450 having trouble. I'll wait these 20 seconds, see what we get for the next candle here. Nice, 25. Beautiful. I'll take half off here.
SDOT. LCID.
Take half off right there. Beautiful. Now, this would be nice if we get a nice little move up there.
WZRD may resistance at SSPC. NOWL. FIG. TRUG.
40 seconds.
LCID.
Such a weird price action there. Not a nice place. So taking it out right there. Holding 14 shares.
CJFB.
Try to get it now on the ask.
SNDQ. SSPC. ASTN.
Now I need to get out 14 shares, huh?
LCID. ESNYW.
14 shares. In this choppy action.
SLND. MUZ.
I'll get it out right there.
SKDD.
Yeah.
BATL. RJLC. ERUG. SNDQ. IREZ. NDB. ASTN.
Algos are getting in here. Let's see this.
SLND.
10.
NBB. NBIL.
Let's do it. 3K right here.
SMG.
Oh, nope.
IOB.
Sadly, that did not work. Dang.
STA grip. BHP. BAT up.
Oh, it chops me out. Let's see this. Wants to
NBIG.
chop me out, huh? Let's see this next game, though. I'll try it one more time.
NBIR. MUZ.
9.
BEE. IOB.
I'll have to size down, I think.
SOXS.
Mm. It's hard to say what it wants to do there. Chop me out once.
SLND.
Could do it now.
BATL.
MUZ. LENZ. TRBI.
Chop, 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 chop. Rejection. Rejection, rejection.
BATL.
NVGL. BATL. DAMD. MUZ.
ALRS.
BEE. I became a resumed in less than a minute. EOSC. FSLY.
Looking for this one to break $1.
GIPR.
And then
JLHL.
looking for this to break $1. There he goes. And it breaks with a lot of strength, actually. Unbelievable amount of strength. Breaks $1. I don't think it'll reclaim $1. Jeez. Okay, now we got this one. BIYA. BIYA. We could see a dip.
CPHR.
Could see a dip on this. 35. Over 50. All those could trigger red at 60. It could trigger red at 60. Nope. So rejection there. It's a lot of topping wicks. So we got to see this thing come down. If it wants to hold, okay, 60 is the trigger point. I think algos might start hitting it at 60. That's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna size down on that. There it is, 60. I'll get him. 61. Let's go. 70. Looking for this to break 70. Hold 60. Algos push. Algos push. Nice. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Big buyer. Bro, that was lame. Lame, 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 lame. Here we go again. Now you guys want to do it? What do we got here? So now, I don't know about 60s. We're looking at 70s now, possibly push higher. All of it because I have an imbalance here. So I have an imbalance. All goes. We're probably sitting somewhere. Pending algo sitting over here. We got Momo algos that are going to push it through. So it's going to fail. It failed here. Double top. It's going to fail here. I don't imagine this thing pushing to 70 and squeezing. The squeeze should have come right there.
That's my wife. SLND.
NVB.
I don't trust it there. It's gonna go to 70, probably false breakout. Algos, short algos need to be stopped out. They haven't stopped out yet.
BIYA. STD. SPUD. SPHU.
This thing goes down to 50. I might take that lower low now here under 50.
SPUD. SPHU. STS. SLND. SKHL. FCEL. SKHX. And STU.
Lower low under 50. If it recovers 50, this could be really good
SPUD.
to get that push. All sides up here. I like this. So needs to break 50 so that we got some short algos invested down on the. Oh my gosh, this is so loud. So we gotta get the break of 50 so that we get some short algos stuck here. Might not get the break of 50 here, so 65 here we might do it now. I don't know. Will we do it? New candle make a new high over 63. No, I need to break 50, bro. You need to break 50. Needs to break 50. Because it didn't break 50, I didn't feel confident on that break. So it needs to break 50 down here, and then we'll get the retest. Retest, because here, if it breaks 50, shorts are going to be committed to that. Shorts are going to commit to the break of 50, and when it reclaims 50, could be seen that we could be looking at a nice move. I'll get in here, 48. So let's see this. Let's see this. Stop is going to be that low 46. Gotta let this work. Gotta let this work. Gotta let this one work, brother. Gotta let this one work. I know it can work. That's the plan. We're looking for short algos to get squeezed out of the way. Nice. Looking for these short algos to get squeezed out of the way. I want to retest my entry to 46. If we survive this, no, we're not surviving that. Dang. Okay, lower low. Had to do that lower low again. Maybe back over 50. All right. Might have to do first 1 minute candle to make a new high here for the retest. Dang, missed that. Now it looks like it's gonna do it. Another one, another low. What's this low? 43. Under 30 per under 40. Shorts haven't gone out yet. Shorts is still pretty committed to this move, to bringing this thing down. So we're gonna see that break on the 40. Here we go, 36, 34, 33. I'll take it here. 37. I saw a buyer there, so I'm taking it here. Stop is pretty tight. I think we're gonna get over 40. Over 40 now. Staying patient here, giving it some room. Low, that is 33.
Yes, or next stage.
Nice, green, green, green would be beautiful. If anything, I just stop out. It's whatever. Nice, 40. 35 is that also that gap. So that was a nice support. So here, I'm looking for green on this. Nice. 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 First count to make a new high here, 45. Don't. Okay, nice. Good, 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 good. Algos are turned on here. Algos are turned on. Yep, adding here, candle new high, 45. Looking for this move. Looking for this move. Stop is break even, 39.
Yes,
Don't like that rejection, man. Added 46 and a half. Don't like that rejection. But it's going. It's 52. Ooh, bad rejection again. Out. 41.
continue. Let's continue check. Let's continue to be which one of them? Let's continue to. PRT. Let's make a sense. AOIU. NBII. NBIG. SNDG. RNO. NBI. SNDU. That's not stuff. That's 1%. CRD. AOIU. NBII. That's NDG. RNO. NBI.
First candle new high here over 45, 45 perhaps. Did it go below 30? No, I didn't go below 30, so shorts are still in this, man. I don't think so. I don't think so. Shorts are still here. They're still here. It should have gone right there. Should have squeezed them. Here, I don't think so. Looks like we got that push. We're getting that push again. It did hit 30 twice though, so maybe that's enough.
That's good. That's a good. That's baby.
You can take one little trade here, test of the gap. Let's see what we can get here. It's been holding. We're going against this red gap though. I don't know about this in these market conditions. Probably not. Probably not. It does look good. It looked good for a second. Looked good for some time. All right, so we're gonna finish here. Down 23 bucks. A very slow day. We got our first trade here off this very good fair value gap retest. Getting there, just 50 shares. Not much, 50 shares. Very low. Get a full dollar share on this. Not bad. Need to commit to this. Need to commit to this with some size, I guess. We got 461. I'm trying to go for this. Gap and go. 60. It worked, but it actually didn't work, right? It went up to 72, came back down. I thought algos would be triggered at 60, and it did. It went up to 70, but didn't have no follow through because shorts were not out of it yet. There wasn't a retest of the gap for it to go up, for shorts to get caught, right? If we retest, excuse me, if we retest this fair value gap as we did on the previous trade here, as we did here, right? We retest it, then we know shorts are committed into this breakdown and want to see this price lower. And once we know that, the reclaim is going to be much more powerful because shorts are going to get stuck and they're going to get started, and then they're going to get squeezed. So here we didn't have that, but I still took it because it looked, price action looked like it would still go through, but these market conditions don't really merit such a trade. All right, so we did that. Then I tried to lower here, 48 out 32. Wanted a reclaim of 50. Went all the way up to 58. Didn't quite get it. Worth a shot, honestly, worth a shot. Went all the way up to 58, worth a shot. Then we got this one. 37, 46. Ooh, this would have been beautiful. We got that reclaim up to 68, but stopped out 40. So added 37. Looking at the level 2, looking at the tape, I just kind of sensed the fact that the 40 reclaim was just coming. So got in there a little early. In 46, stop was probably the lows. In 46 again, as I thought the volume was coming in, and we got some nice green on the tape then. But no, just kind of the short algos was just hitting this thing, preventing it from going any higher. Anyway, hits double bottom 30 and 30 right here, and then it goes, chop, goes. Not worth the shot. Not worth the shot. All right. Anyway, that'll be it. We're looking like a red month so far, 3 red weeks, 4, 5 red weeks. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 red weeks. 4 red weeks. Man, the momentum has died down, but we got to take a look at the bigger picture, right? Bigger picture, bigger picture. We're green on the year. The red is not so big. We only need, realistically, we only need a nice green week, and we're back on track, right? One nice green week, and we're back on track. That's all we need. So hopefully next week the momentum can shift, and we'll be right on track. All right. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free trading analysis tool. Then try our 7-day free trial. Try our 7-day free trial. Free trading analysis tool. You don't need to create an account. Data never stored, 100% free. Try it out. Check out our features. Beautiful features here. Trusted by the community, so check out, read our testimonials. $5 a month, 50 a year, the most affordable platform out there. So come check it out. Try it, give it a try. It's free for 7 days, or free in general if you take very low trades. Join me on Discord, hit me up on Discord, and I will see you tomorrow.